Hey guys, it's Chicha. This is gonna be Christmas look number 3, and I'm gonna use the QAF by ColourPop. Yes Please palette. Now, as you can see, I've been using this palette for a long time. That's how you know it's a good palette. Alright, so same deal. I've already done my foundation, my eyebrows, my contour, my blush, everything. I'm just gonna show up the eye makeup and the choice of lip that I wanted to do this time. Alright, from the Cute AF, these have names. We're gonna use the color, I want to say it's either Bling or, no, it's not Bling, Full Zip. The names are on the back, so I'm not really sure. So we're gonna use the first one right here and just kind of create like a base. And do that, put it all over your lid. Just one, I only like just one coat. Yeah, just that. It's almost like baking your eye. Alright, we're gonna use this red right here to do in our outer corner. So we're gonna just tap access off. We're gonna go here again to do the outer corner, and if you have a line, just try to tap it on the outer corner. At least it'll look like a smoky eye. Sorry, that's... Keep blending and building up the intensity of the red. Alright, so now that we've finished with the blending, we're gonna go ahead and cut, do like a half crease. Put that right here. Now, I don't do a lot because you don't want your eye to be like heavy with makeup.
And all your fears around the ground. Then you said all I ever wanted was to love.
We're gonna go ahead and set it. We're gonna use the same color we did as our base. So we're gonna go ahead and...
I can offer so much more.
Eyes are set. You're gonna go back to that same red that we used. We're gonna just dip it a little bit, tap out the excess, go back here to the corner, and then just drag it again, just to really form that crease. We're gonna go up here, open it up. A nice little trick that I like to do is I blend with my eye open, so it kind of like opens up and it shows me where where my crease is. So like right here, you look at that, it's like, I don't know if that makes sense to you guys. It helps me out a lot. Alright, so now that I have the little bit more spreading out the red, I'm gonna go to an actually a different palette, because this one doesn't have the ColourPop doesn't have the color that I want. I'm gonna go to the one that I use for the look number 2, which is the Best Year Ever from Too Faced, and I'm gonna dab into a little bit of the black tie color. 1, 2, tap the excess, hit that outer corner. I'm just gonna hit that a little bit. We're gonna deepen that crease. And then a little goes a long way. Remember that. Just to make it a little bit more darker, more deep. Get tap.
Hold on just a little.
line, black eyeliner, and maybe draw like a Santa hat. Alright, let's see.
Just look on.
Alrighty, now I'm going to pop some lashes, do a lip, maybe something else. Alright, I am back, lashes are on. I did a little Christmas hat, though I think I should have done it on the other side because it looks coming this way. I want to do a neutral lip again just because my eyes are red and they're a little bold. But I've also been wanting to try these Milani lipsticks. Let's see. Ooh.
And all your fears around the ground. Then you said all I ever wanted was the love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more.
So much for neutral. Alright, these are the finishing looks. Ta-da! I am loving this color of lip. Alrighty, this is the number 38 Double Espresso with Milani. I am living for this lip